Hello, and welcome to the 505 tutorial for configuring discrete signals. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure discrete signals. The 505 has 20 discrete input channels and 8 relay output channels. Properly configuring these 28 channels is important to connect external devices and equipment to your 505 controller. Additionally, you will learn to force relay outputs, which is useful when troubleshooting. First, we'll cover discrete signals. To configure discrete contact inputs, you must be logged in to the Configure User Level and Configuration Mode. Refer to the Changing User Levels and Changing Modes and Languages tutorials to learn how to do this. To check the user level and mode, press Mode. To access the Contact Input 1 through 8 summary screen from the home screen, use the navigation cross keys to select Contact Inputs. Then press Enter. On the Contact Input 1 through 8 summary screen that opens, each row consists of one channel and its status, function, and tag. Please note that the remaining discrete contact inputs are provided on 2 other contact input summary screens. To access them, simply press the black function keys below contacts 9 through 16 and contacts 17 through 20. Remember, each of these 20 channels corresponds to the similarly numbered input terminals on the back of the 505. To configure a discrete contact input, use the navigation cross keys to highlight the desired channel. In this demonstration, we'll choose contact 8. Then press Enter. The selected channel screen opens. On the selected channel screen, you can configure the following contact input parameters. The input function, which defines what type of signal the contact input is. The device tag, or variable name for the channel, and whether the channel's logic should be inverted. Use the following components of the 505's front panel to select fields, change the values within them, and add or remove checkmarks. The navigation cross keys, Enter, the adjust keys, and the numeric keypad. The explanations for using these components are provided in the screen navigation tutorial. To cycle through the contact input channels, press the black function keys below the left or right arrow buttons. To return to the last contact input summary screen you visited, either press the black function key below Summary or press Home or Escape. Then, to return to the main 505 screen from any of the contact summary screens, press Home or Escape. Now, we'll show you how to configure a relay output channel. Please note that you must remain logged into the Configure User Level and Configuration Mode to be able to do this. To configure a relay output channel, from the home screen, use the navigation cross keys to select Relays. Then, press Enter. On the relay output summary screen that opens, each row consists of one channel and its status, function, and tag. Remember, each of these 8 channels corresponds to the similarly numbered input terminals on the back of the 505. To select a relay output channel to configure, use the navigation cross keys to highlight the desired channel. For this demonstration, we'll choose Relay 8. Then press Enter. The selected channel screen opens. On the selected channel screen, you can configure the following relay output parameters: whether the channel is to be used as a level switch, the output function, which defines what type of signal the relay output is, the device tag, or variable name for the channel, and whether the channel's logic should be inverted. Use the following components of the 505's front panel to select fields, change the values within them, and add or remove checkmarks. The navigation cross keys, Enter, the adjust keys, and the numeric keypad. The explanations for using these components are provided in the screen navigation tutorial. To cycle through the relay output channels, press the black function keys below the left or right arrow buttons. To return to the relay output summary screen, either press the black function key below Summary or press Home or Escape. Then, to return to the main 505 screen from the relay output summary screen, press Home or Escape. Finally, you can use the 505 controller to force relay outputs. To do this, you must be in calibration mode. Once in calibration mode, return to the home screen and navigate back to the Relay Output Summary screen. Once you're back on the Relay Output Summary screen, use the navigation cross keys to highlight any of the relay channels, and then press Enter. Notice that now that you are in calibration mode, a new Force Output button has been added to the Relay Output channel screens. Press the black function key below Force Output, and then press the function key below Enable. To energize this relay output, press the black function key below Energize. The status light will illuminate green, and you will hear the relay contact click. To de-energize this relay output, press the black function key below De-energize. Then disable forcing by pressing the black function key below Disable. Finally, exit the force output mode by pressing the black function key below Exit. Forcing the output can be done on each of the 8 relay output channels. You now know the basics of how to configure discrete input and output logic and how to force relay output. Please be sure to view the other tutorials for more information.